Yeah, I just completed the 10-day challenge with Refeel Yoga, and wow, has it been transformative without even me intending on it.
Tara, how did I feel raise your vibration challenge for 10 days?
Sort of introduction into some of the other aspects of yoga, kind of a different aspect of really moving the energy.
Little do we know sometimes the most simple things, the most simple practice can bring so much potential in our life, in our day.
This whole practice has been really intense and really powerful.
And I'm really glad that I stuck with it and went through all the 10 days. I can notice the benefits for sure.
Here we are at the end of day 10, and the Uddiyana Bandha practice has done wonders on my body. I feel more motivated, I feel more awake in the mornings, my sleep schedule is more regulated.
I am very, very grateful for the 10-day tapas.
First, I feel hot energy in my body.
For the whole time I experienced a lot of energy shifting and moving around me, moving up.
Eye-opening to see how powerful that can be.
The first couple of days were tough. Around day 4, I think I really started to notice a difference in my energy levels throughout the day.
And I had this crazy experience during the meditation after the practice where I felt it was like this blanket of stillness that came over the room. But it was almost like it came up from the ground. It was this weird, trippy experience. And I felt this masculine energy come up with it. And it was like external from myself. It wasn't like it was part of me.
With this yoga, I can want to belong in my own self, with my own body. And that is a comfort that is just priceless.
Second, I'm in a good mood daily life.
Because some days I felt like my energy was just like going up, up, up.
So yeah, it's been something to look forward to every day, to kind of practice something at the end of the day to ground yourself and bring yourself back to center.
I've been loving it. This practice has been giving me such power.
Through the use of this yoga, I've been able to access a portion of this inner light.
To help increase the vibrational frequency of myself and my planet.
Since I started to the yoga, I have been happy.
I'm like so talkative right now because I'm so excited and passionate about what I just learned through Refeel Yoga.
Once you do it, it's just like you said, Andrew, it makes me feel empowered.
Just this feeling of complete bliss, I guess. I don't know, it was very intense and random.
It has been an incredible experience to have someone to lead and to motivate me.
Felt like a good practice, and I'm happy that I learned it and participated.
It's just a matter of motivation and getting up and doing it every day.
Yeah, it's truly like an intense practice, honestly. I would advise trying it out because it definitely is beneficial. If you do want to try it out, I would definitely suggest it.